Hey, and welcome back to YT Finance for more stock market news updates. Remember to press the like button to stay informed and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. But right now, let's jump right into the video. Stocks had a mixed bag of results, but the Dow was on fire, celebrating its incredible 10th winning day in a row, the longest hot streak since August 2017. However, the Nasdaq took a bit of a dip as investors geared up for some upcoming changes to the index on Monday. On the other hand, the S&P index has been soaring, marking an astounding 30% surge since its mid-October low. With such a bullish rally, some investors are now raising concerns about a potential correction, fearing that the market might be getting a bit too stretched. But I do not think investors should be worried because Fundstrat's financial professional Tom Lee has some reassuring words. He admits a 5% pullback is possible, but he firmly believes that any such dip would be a fantastic buying opportunity. The financial professional goes on to argue that the stock market isn't as overextended as some investors might think, and he's got solid reasons to back that up because he believes there are still growth catalysts ahead. The first catalyst would be the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting on July 26th, which could be a game changer, possibly bringing the last rate hike of this cycle. And keep an eye on the July 28th release of personal consumption expenditures price data, which is expected to follow the trends seen in the June CPI report, indicating cooling inflation. Furthermore, Lee anticipates the July CPI report, scheduled for August 10th, to continue showing disinflationary pressures, which is great news for the stock market and the economy. On top of all these positive indicators, Lee points out that the S&P index, though 12% above its 200-day moving average, historically has traded more than 20% above that average multiple times in the past. This suggests a strong market, thus reinforcing his bullish stance. On the flip side, some institutional investors seem to have some doubts, with a recent survey indicating that only 17% plan to increase equity exposure, which indicates that they foresee further downward pressure on the stock market going forward, but only time will tell us who is correct. In other stock news, AMC had a mind-blowing to-the-moon moment in after-hours trading as a Delaware judge unexpectedly put the brakes on the company's controversial stock split plan. This move saved the shares of those amateur investors who had put their faith in the struggling theater chain, so if you are holding AMC stock right now, I would cash out and take profits because this surge could save you from losing even more money. We have also seen Bob Iger, who is the CEO of Disney, eyeing the sale of part of ESPN to strategic partners as they navigate the decline of linear television. But guess what? CNBC reports that preliminary talks are already underway with the NFL, NBA, and MLB about the possibility of these sports leagues taking a minority stake. You should also be aware that Spotify, ticker name SPOT, is gearing up for a big move by raising its subscription price in the US by $1 up to $10.99 a month. Therefore, investors should get ready for the potential impact of this bold move in the music streaming industry. We also saw Boeing stock soaring high with a massive $393.1 million modification contract from the U.S. Army for Apache AH-64E aircraft, supporting services and equipment, which is causing the defense industry to be buzzing with enthusiasm. In other news, celebrity analyst Jim Cramer has some thrilling insights. He now proclaims Tesla and Netflix to be two of the greatest investments of all time. It's quite a turnaround considering he used to be skeptical of Tesla. But either way, this is exciting news for Tesla shareholders. But now let's talk about some electric vehicle news, starting with Rivian Automotive Inc., which is taking the electric vehicle market by storm. Mizuho analyst Vijay Rakesh has issued a bullish commentary on the Illinois-based EV maker. He predicts Rivian will surpass its full-year delivery guidance of 50,000 units as EV sales ramp up across the industry. So it seems that exciting times are ahead as the stock's price target gets an upgrade to $30 per share. Next up in our EV news segment is Nikola, the struggling truck maker, who is shaking things up by selling its Phoenix Hydrogen Hub project to Fortescue Future Industries, also known as FFI. With FFI's support, the project will get the resources needed to soar to new heights, including a hydrogen supply agreement to fuel Nikola's Class 8 zero-emission trucks. This is a game changer in the green transportation landscape. Now let's talk about EV company Fisker, which is gearing up for an electrifying debut in the Indian market. They confirmed the production of 100 Fisker Extreme Vision Edition, which is an all-electric SUV. The company is expected to deliver them by the fourth quarter after completing the homologation process by September. The electric revolution is spreading worldwide, and Fisker seems to be seizing the opportunity. Lastly, we will discuss Velo 3D Inc., which is making waves in the 3D printing industry with its cutting-edge technology. At the heart of their success lies the Sapphire system, a 3D metal printer that has revolutionized the manufacturing landscape. Unlike conventional 3D printers, the Sapphire system can produce intricate and complex geometries without requiring support structures. This remarkable capability sets it apart from other 3D printers and opens up a world of possibilities for designing and creating parts for various industries such as aerospace, energy, and healthcare. Since its public debut, Velo 3D has continued to impress with strong financial results, driven by robust demand for its innovative products and services. This has bolstered investor confidence and reinforced the company's position as a key player in the 3D printing industry. Investors looking for an opportunity to be part of the future of 3D printing should keep a close eye on this company. Their innovative technology, impressive financial performance, and ambitious growth plans make them a compelling choice. As the 3D printing market continues to expand at a remarkable rate, investors should also look into ticker symbol PRNT as a good investment that is primed to ride the wave of this transformative technology and offer investors a thrilling journey into the exciting world of additive manufacturing. And that is all for today's stock market news updates. So if you want to stay informed on the biggest stock news stories, then go and press the like button right now, comment down below your favorite story from today's video, and subscribe so you can make wise investing decisions. With that being said, happy investing.